Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to access YouTube sound effect. So what you need to do is you need to go to youtube.com, then go to your channel, click on YouTube Studio, and then the channel dashboard will open. On your left hand side you need to scroll down until the end, go to audio library, and here go to sound effects. Here is the list of all sound effects which you may use. So there is kids playing, factory background. You can choose whatever the sound effect that you need to insert in your videos. That's it, guys. Very simple, very easy. I hope that this video has helped you to sort out how to get to the audio library sound effects. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.